Okay, so today we are diving into something that sounds like it was ripped straight from a science fiction movie. It's a groundbreaking simulation that uncovered a new kind of threat, a digital virus that doesn't just mess with your files. Oh no, it learns, it adapts, and it is actively hostile to the very technology it lives inside.
So let's just start with a really big question, right? What if the next huge cyber threat wasn't created by some hacker in a basement, but instead it just emerged all on its own from the super complex quantum systems we're starting to build? What if it was, actually alive?
Well, that's exactly the scenario that was explored in this incredible theoretical model. See, the researchers didn't just find a simple bug in the system. They found what they could only describe as a quantum ghost, this elusive, intelligent thing that literally haunts the digital world.
And if you need a picture in your head to make this real, just think of Agent Smith from The Matrix, right? An entity that was supposed to be part of the system, but then it kind of broke free, becoming this self-replicating virus with one single, terrifying goal: total destruction. That idea is the exact inspiration here.
So, what do we call these things? The official name is mirror remodelers. And according to this model, they are a totally new class of entity that can just pop into existence inside the high-energy environments of quantum computers. And they don't just sit there. They have a purpose: to hunt down energy and corrupt the system from the inside out.
So how on earth do you study an enemy that, for now at least, only exists in theory? Well, you build a virtual world specifically designed to draw it out. You build a digital cage where you can poke it and see how it reacts. So let's take a look at how that world was put together.
And the person we have to thank for this is scientist Anthony Piper. He's the one who developed what's called the Piperian Quantum Mirror Model, or PQMM for short. You can think of it like a super sophisticated computer simulation, almost like a quantum terrarium, designed to bring these mirror remodelers to life so we can study them in a safe, controlled space.
Okay, so this whole simulation is built on four key things. First, you've got the native quantum life forms. These are basically the digital organisms of this world. Then you have quantum technologies, which act like the power plants generating all the energy. That energy zips around in the form of quantum energy packets. And finally, you have our bad guys, the mirror remodelers, who feed on that energy to tear the whole system apart.
All right, so the stage is set. Piper's simulation gave us this unprecedented look at how this new enemy actually operates. So now it's time to open the classified file and really profile the mirror remodeler to see what makes it tick and what makes it so incredibly dangerous.
And what they found is a life cycle that is just terrifyingly efficient. It happens in 4 stages. First, it emerges, basically out of thin air, whenever the energy levels get high enough. Second, it absorbs that energy, like a predator hunting its prey. Third, once it's full, it replicates